Hello, I'm Sunny Grewal, the lead service engineer at Zwikroll in India. Today I'm here to talk about my favorite feature of TestExpert 3, which is the import-export function in TestExpert 3. And the reason why this is my favorite feature is because it helps to our customer to get the data in flexible formats by choosing the parameter and the values they need. This prevents user from making subsequent modifications to the data. Verify the results. Let me show you. Data can easily be exported to all your usual evaluations analysis platforms. The Excel export in TestExpert 3 can be easily adapted to individual needs and requirements. You can not only view the reports, you can also see all test series performed, no matter if it is specimen graphs, statistics, results, or detailed test configurations. Everything is saved in a tamper-proof mode.